Hello, friends. Welcome to your number one online mathematics class, Sound Simplification. Thank you guys for your support so far. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for more updates on our videos. Thank you.
Today, we'll be considering this question under geometric progression. The third and sixth term of a geometric progression GP are 10 and 80 respectively. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio. Now, the common ratio is denoted with small r. So the first thing we have to do here is to bring back our formula, and our formula for nth term, our formula for nth term of GP, nth term of GP. Don't forget that the nth term of a GP, Tn, as Tn equals AR raised n minus 1. So this is the formula we'll be using here. Tn equals AR raised n minus 1. So back to the question quickly. Now back to the question. We're told that the third and the sixth term. So from here now, instead of writing Tn, okay, Tn. So Tn for the third term, that's T3 equals AR raised 3 minus 1. Because here our n is 3. And this will give us T3 equals AR raised 2. So that's for the third term. Now for the sixth term, so T6 equals AR raised 6 minus 1, and this equals AR raised 5. So T6 equals AR raised 5, and T3 equals AR raised 2. So quickly, let's proceed. So having said that now for third term, we said our T3 equals AR raised 2. And from the question, we're told that the third and the sixth term of a GP are 10 and 80 respectively. So which means the 10 is for the third term. So is 10 here. Our is here means equals to is 10. And also the sixth term, T6 equals AR raised 5. AR raised 5 is 80. Don't forget that from the question, we are told that the terms of the GP are 10 and 80 respectively. So which means the 10 is for the third term and the 80 is for the sixth term. So having done that now, here now we have two equations. We have equation 1, here to be equation 1, and we have here to be equation 2. So from here we can divide. Now divide equation 2, we can divide equation 2 by equation 1. So divide equation 2, divide equation 2 by equation 1. So don't forget that our equation 2, that's T6 equals AR raised 5, equals 80, and our equation 1, that's C3, the third term, that is AR raised 2 equals 10. So from here now, let's divide. Now in dividing, we said divide equation 2. So what's my equation 2? AR raised to power 5 equals 80, 80. And my equation 2, that's AR raised to power 2, AR raised to power 2 equals 10, equals 10. So from here now, from here we are dividing 10 here, 1, and 10 here, that's 8. That's 8. And from here now, using our law of indices from here, from here now, from this side, we'll be having a raised to power 5, a raised to power a raised to power 5 over a raised to power 2. We can divide using law of indices that says division changes to subtraction. So we can have ar raised to power 5 raised to power 5 divided by ar raised to power 2. From here now, we can have this can give us ar raised to power 5 minus 2. Don't forget that division changes to subtraction under law of indices, and this will give us ar. This will give us ar raised 3. So ar raised 3. So dividing this side now, we have ar raised 3. So ar raised 3 equals 8. Now the 8 we got here equals 8. So ar raised 3 equals 8. But don't forget that from here, our a can cancel a here. Don't forget our a here can cancel a here. And we'll be using r raised 5 and r raised 2. So here we should be having r cube. R cube equals 8. Should be having r cube equals 8. And don't forget that law of indices talks about a number, a particular alphabet raised to a certain index. And from here now, from here you can see that a has no index here. So here we should be subtracting a. So a will be a raised to power, the power should be 1 here, and the power should be 1 here. So if we have a raised to power 1 minus a raised to power 1, so that's a raised to power 1 minus 1, that is a raised to power 0. And any number is 0, that's 1. So which means here, we won't be having a here again. We'll be having a here. So because a, that will be a raised to power 1 minus 1, and that will be a raised to power 0. So, and a raised to power 0, that's 1. So we'll be having 5 raised to power r raised to power 5 minus 2, which is r raised to power 3. So, and we said r raised to power 3 equals 8 from here. Equals 8 from here. So from here now, we've been able to get r raised to power 3 equals 8. And don't forget that we are told to find the common ratio, which is r. The common ratio r. Now from here, now from r raised to power 3 equals 8, we have to get the value of r, which is our common ratio, So from here now, I can have my r equals the third root of 8. And here, this will give me 2. So which means 2 raised to power 3 equals 8. 2 raised to power 3 equals 8. From here now, you can have r cube equals 2 raised to power 3, because the third root means a particular number that when it multiplies itself 3 times, we'll be getting 8. So 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4. 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8. So which means the common ratio of this question that we've just solved now is 2. Hence, the common ratio R, because we're told to calculate the common ratio R equals 2. Now we've been able to get our value for our common ratio, which is 2, using our formula Tn equals AR raised to power n minus 1. And after solving, we got our common ratio R to be 2. Please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Sam Simplification, and recommend this YouTube channel for your friends and family that are struggling with mathematics. Thank you for watching.